Guys, now I'm in one local shop and I'm gonna taste one sweet potato. You can see. Give me one. Yeah. She's anyone which give me this one. Okay, I selected the big one. So 300. Okay, I have to pay her. After that, I will keep continue. Or let me put my hand in my pocket. I have some stuff. You know, in Japan they have too much currency, so I don't understand. Okay, you take your money.
Okay. Hi. Wow.
Look.
Okay.
It's only they can know their currency. For us, it's very difficult. So I don't know how much she took, but they are honest people. I trust on them. They are really honest. So okay, that's my sweet potato. So I'm gonna taste it now. Okay, I have to remove something, or I have to eat like that. Wow, that's amazing. You also have to taste this one. You also have to taste this one. This is amazing, you know. These are Japanese girls, so I'm telling them to subscribe to my channel, eat, but she's hiding behind me. She's shy, so I'm telling her to subscribe to my channel, so she will do. Okay, say bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye Japan.